Window cleaning, especially on large windows, can be physically demanding. We address this with a lightweight, durable, and easy-to-use trad pole designed to meet professional needs. The Pure Water Power Trad Pole is 36 inches when collapsed, but can extend up to 10 feet working height. The pole length adjusts to the length needed to reach all corners of the window. Always give yourself about 2 extra feet of pole beyond your highest reach. It takes the strain off your shoulders and keeps you going strong all day. This one only weighs 1.2 pounds, so you're not fighting your gear while you work. Long reach, low weight. That's what makes a pole worth using. Quick tool changes are essential on site. This pole is able to fit most tools with its wood cone adapter, allowing for easy swapping of your T-bars and squeegees. Secure clamps provide smooth, hassle-free length adjustments. Adjustment knobs located on the sides of each clamp are there for tightening and loosening as needed. A reliable pole is essential for handling various jobs. The trad pole's bumpers protect against damage, while its durable fiberglass construction offers lasting comfort and reduces the need for frequent replacements, making it a more economical choice over time. We designed this pole to support long-term, efficient work. Its lightweight, user-friendly, and durable design helps professionals achieve excellent results. Pure Water Power provides the tools. You deliver the shine.